A nice calm start.
Got that shark? I got a grunt. It just took off. That could be a cobia. Hopefully it's a big snapper. It's fighting like a snapper, not a shark. Come on, get a 20-inch snapper for us. Cobia! I told you they can move in within a couple minutes. He's not running much. I don't think he knows he's hooked yet. Wow, he did not put up a fight at all for you. There you go. You want to fight him a little longer to make it worth it?
Nah, let's get him in the boat. I've never caught one, so I want to...
Oh, now he's going crazy. Jesus. That fish didn't do nothing. They always say don't bring them in the boat while they're like this.
He's probably too short.
Oh, he's definitely too short. Yeah, usually they fight a little bit more before they get to the boat, but that one didn't fight at all. Isn't that weird?
Yeah. He took drag right away and then that was it.
Yeah, sometimes they're like...
Alright.
Keep them up. Or a huge gag. If that's a gag, it's a massive one.
Straight up, straight down.
Yes, it's a gag, hopefully. Dude, that's a 30-incher all day. Don't let him in the ship. Is he already in it? He's already in it. Damn it.
Bang your line.
Do you feel him moving at all? No. Yeah, just keep whipping it hard. That's usually what turns them around and makes them come out. Put a lot of pressure on it and whip it hard as you can. Usually that'll turn them around, they'll run right out. That's worked to me almost 90% of the time doing that technique. Oh, he's out. There he is. Told you, it pisses them off. I hope you got a gag and not a shark. Or even a cobia. Why would a cobia go into the ship? I just want to see him! It's not a grouper. I hope it's not a shark though. It's turning. Come on, be a cobia. The grouper! Holy sh! Nice! For shallow water, that's a big fish. Wow!
Oh, nice.
There you go. Good job.
There we go. Whoop, whoop.
Dude,
Rip that pin.
you like my technique too? The flicking works 90% of the time.
Look at that. Awesome.
There, get a picture.
There you go.